Everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Hinge hidden word feature. So Hinge hidden words feature allows you to filter out specific words, phrases or emojis from incoming likes with comments, moving them to a separate hidden folder to foster a more positive experience. Users can set this up via settings through the app. So for that, what you're going to have to do is open your Hinge app and then go to your profile, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go to settings, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you go to settings, under a safety section, you will see a comment filter. Now once you tap on comment filter, you can add a specific words or phrases or emojis you wish to filter out. Now once you do that, if a like with comment includes a filter word, that profile will not appear in your main likes you feed. Instead, it is moved to a separate hidden likes section. Now you can still view the hidden likes section to review, match or delete these requests. If you report a message as inappropriate, Hinge will prompt you to add those words to your hidden list. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.